Today we see female reproductive part. This female reproductive part is also called gynoecium. Gynoecium. It is made up of pistil. That is, pistil consists three parts. This upper stigma, long elongated style, and swollen part is ovary. Stigma is uppermost part. It receives pollen grains. The style is long and elongated, and the length of style is different in different flowers. Then swollen part is ovary. It consists ovule. Okay, and this ovary is attached to thalamus. And this together, ovary, style, and stigma called pistil. That is gynoecium, means female reproductive part of flower. Then this style and stigma is two types. Stigma is two types. That is hollow stigma and solid stigma. Hollow means this outermost layer is epidermis and dermis. And inner is hollow. There is no cells. That is hollow stigma. And in solid stigma, this outer layer epidermis, and inside some cells are arranged. And due to these cells, it becomes solid. Okay. Then we see the detailed structure of ovary. This ovary, and this is detailed structure. This outermost is ovary. The attachment of ovule to the ovary is known as placenta. Then ovule consists two parts. This is stalk and this body. This stalk is also known as funicle. The attachment of funicle and body is known as hilum. That means the layer where stalk and body is attached, that is funicle and body. Some tissue of funicle are extended on the body, and this part is known as raphe. Okay, then this body consists, upper closer part is known as chalaza, and lower opening is known as micropyle. Okay, then this body is covered with two integuments. This is outer integument and this is inner integument. Okay, and in between these integument, this sac is present, and this sac consists many cells, and these cells are known as nucellus. From this nucellus, one cell is converted into MMC, that is megaspore mother cell. Okay, this is detailed structure of ovary and ovule. Then we see development of gametophyte, that is this embryo sac. This is also known as embryo sac, and development of this embryo sac we study. Development of female gametophyte or embryo sac. We see this is structure of ovule. Okay, in ovule these two integuments, outer and inner integument. Then this stalk is known as funicle. This attachment of funicle and body is known as hilum, and this extended part of funicle is known as raphe. Okay, then this ovule inverted position, that is closing part is upside and open part is downside. This closer part is known as chalaza and open is known as micropyle. Then this embryo sac is filled with cells, that is known as nucellus. And from these cells, one cell is converted into MMC, that is megaspore mother cell. We see the single structure of megaspore mother cell, and each cell of this nucellus is diploid, that is consists 2n number. Then this MMC, that is megaspore mother cell, undergoes meiosis. One meiotic division takes place and it converted into 4 cells. In mitotic, one cell converted into 2 cell, and in meiosis, one cell converted into 4 cell, that is in meiosis first 2 cells and in meiosis second 4 cells. This 4 cell, that is, it is known as megaspore tetrad. Tetrad means 4 cells, and these cells are haploid because meiosis is reductional division. From 2n, this single haploid cells are formed. Then out of these tetrad, 3 cells become degenerate, and only lower cell, that is cells towards micropyle. This is chaliza end and this is micropolar end. This cell is converted into, or this is survival megaspore. Other 3 are degenerate. Then this survival cell undergoes mitotic division, that is 3 karyokinesis. Only first karyokinesis takes place. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus. Division means this one cell is divided into 2 cells. Okay, that is like this. Then these 2 cells divided into 4 cells, and this is first division, this is second division, and in third division 4 cells are divided into 8 cells, that is a third karyokinesis. Only karyokinesis takes place, that is from single nucleus there are 8 nucleus are formed. Then these nucleus arrange themselves. Okay, and this arrangement, that means 3 nucleus goes towards chalizal end, this is chaliza end, and this is micropyle end, and 3 nucleus goes towards the micropyle end, and 2 nucleus remain at center. Okay, then after this arrangement, cytokinesis takes place, but it is unequal division of cytokinesis. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm, and the cytoplasm goes around the nucleus, each nucleus. These 3 nucleus towards chalizer end is known as antipodals, that is these 3 cells with cytoplasm known as antipodals. Then these 2 nucleus remain at center, these are known as polar nuclei, and towards micropyle the middle cell is bigger, which is known as egg, that means from that embryo is formed, and 2 smaller cells around this egg is known as synergids, and this total egg and synergids together called egg apparatus. Okay, this is formation of embryo sac, that is this complete structure is known as embryo sac. That means this egg is ready for fertilization.